The kitchen we are almost done with. We had to open up this wall to change some electrical, and it's just been like this because we don't know what to do with it.
Our house is not one giant project. It's kind of death by 1,000 cuts. There's like a million tiny little things.
Are you sure that piece is gonna work? It looks kind of jagged.
It's perfect.
They love do-it-yourself, and they've actually gotten pretty far in their house.
Well, this is our office. It's been like that for over 6 months.
The problem is they can't point to a single thing and be like, yeah, that's a project I did and I finished it.
We'll show you a couple more unfinished things.
And from what I've seen in the videos they've sent me, the ensuite bathroom is their biggest problem.
So we did the framing and now we're kind of stuck. We really don't know what's next.
Okay, you guys, so it looks really nice in here.
Thank you.
The thing that immediately strikes me, what is this? What's going on here?
We were hoping that we could put, you know, a couple of extra outlets in here to make this more like the hub of the home.
Are you guys comfortable working with electrical? Because I'm not.
No.
Yeah, I'm not.
I'm not an electrician.
Absolutely not.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Really, your eye doesn't go to the new kitchen, it goes to this giant hole. I mean, all in all, this is a really beautiful space. You guys have done a lot of work here, right?
These cabinets we actually assembled ourselves. And then we spent about 25 arguments and 2 weeks putting them together.
You put them together.
Yes, we did.
I'm impressed.
It was like a sprint until the baby.
Walk me through everything in here that is not done.
Some of the cabinetry is like messed up. You can kind of see that it's uneven. We have light switches for pendant lighting. It don't go anywhere, doesn't work. We obviously don't have a backsplash, and we are splashing around a lot.
So at first glance, you walk into this house and it looks like it's done. And you're like, oh, this is like a really nice house. Everything's fresh and clean and new, but it's not safe and it's not done. Your family room right here. In design, we add what's called layers, okay? So I feel like you guys have definitely got the first layer. I'd like to add a few more layers. This is the bathroom that you sent me a video that you share, and if you have guests, the guests share, and thus you don't have guests because it's just too small.
We can't.
This is the bedroom. What's going on here?
This is my closet. When we moved in, we really couldn't keep the doors that were here, so we just removed them. I would love to have a mirror closet door here.
Okay, I can help you with that. Oh, wow, you guys.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, so you got the bathtub. Looks like the framing is done. You need some plumbing. You need a lot of things.
Yes, there's a lot that we still need, yes.
Walk me through how you use this yard right now.
We don't use the yard.
At all?
Yeah, we never come out here. I think that this space could be something that we could reclaim as an adult space. We just don't know what to do. We don't know how we can fix it.
So first we need to finish the electrical. Then I want to close up the walls and let's finish the tub with a marble slab. Then add some luxury tile and fixtures to the shower, and I want to define it with a glass shower enclosure. Over here, to save some money, let's keep the existing vanity. I want to do double mirrors, light fixtures, and faucets to keep that luxury feel going.
Right.
We want to make sure that it all like ties together nicely. So we'll do a rain shower. It's already plumbed for it, which is nice. I had the guys come in and break up the floor so I can figure out how bad the plumbing issue is in Kevin and Heather's house. And what we found out is that it's bad.
I feel like we went backwards a little bit.
What?
Right?
This was their one bathroom. Oh my gosh.
We had to pull everything out.
The water is flowing the wrong direction from every single fixture. In no area between the half bath and the full bath is anything installed correctly or even up to code. Kevin and Heather definitely need more baby storage and a dedicated dog space in their living room. So I'm bringing in Brian. He's gonna help me organize this space, and it's not gonna break the bank. They had 2 beds for the dogs.
Oh.
And I'm thinking it might be really nice, instead of just having the beds like thrown on the floor, to actually like tuck them into the entertainment center. So I had an electrician come in and make sure that all these outlets are now working and they're properly done so we can close up this wall. And now this is gonna be that great workspace that they originally wanted. I mean, it overlooks the kitchen, it's perfect. Inside, they're like, look, inside it's all about like the kids and the toys.
Yeah.
And when we have people over, there's like nowhere for the adults to hang out. Like they need another like an outdoor living room almost, like
Sure.
an outdoor dining room, like another space. So let's give them all of that. We'll get rid of the vines and this hazardous fence. And once we push the yard out 6 feet to the property line, we can build a solid wall, which will give them lots of privacy. We can dress it up with landscaping. This area will become an outdoor living space with a pergola. A fire pit with outdoor seating over here, and then over in this corner, we can do a game area over the concrete slab.
We're gonna make this fun then.
Exactly. Heather and Kevin never use this backyard, and they asked me to design it so that they can actually use it with their family and friends. What's really in right now are outdoor yard games, so I'm actually gonna build them a cute little bowling alley. Shower glasses here. The items on our punch list, they're getting knocked off there fast. I mean, this project, it probably would have taken them like 3 years to complete. And I'm about 3 days from finishing the project, getting them out of Heather's parents' house. Can't wait to give them that call that they can come back home. But I can't stop. Like, we have to keep this pace. We've got to get it finished. Eric? All right, I got the goods.
Wonderful.
The reason that this was late is because it's custom.
Okay.
Heather and Kevin haven't had time to do a photo shoot. And now, since I'm here working on their house and they don't have to be, they're like, we're gonna go do our photo shoot. So they sent me the photos, and this is what's gonna go behind their tub. But then the other wall actually just has like the rest of the image, almost like a landscape, you know? It's special, it's different. It's also a giant sticker, so if they ever wanna take it down, they can. One wallpaper down, one to go. This wallpaper was hard to pick because their style is so traditional. I was able to find something that has that kind of like vintage feel. Get that fire.
And then coats it on the wall.
Oh man, I could never do what you guys do. I knew there was gonna be a spot for this tray. Look what I did. It's for the doggies. If I was a dog, that'd be my spot. Yes. I love that you would never know this is here. Our bathroom budget went up with the plumbing issue in the bathroom, which I didn't have a choice. I had to take care of that. So I had to get kind of scrappy in the backyard. I mean, the pergola, the bowling alley, even the fire pit, and those items are things I wanted to include, but I had to really be creative. I think the challenge for Kevin and Heather was that this to-do list was just so overwhelming. But everything's fixed, everything's done. They've got style, they've got a finished kitchen. I think they're gonna really like it. Okay, how's it feel to be back?
Good, for sure. A little scared, not gonna lie.
So you guys are ready to go inside?
We are.
Yes.
Awesome. I'm gonna let you guys go ahead in, and then I'll come find you in a minute after you have a chance to like take it all in. Cool?
Okay, yes. Are you kidding?
Wow. Oh my gosh.
Look at these built-ins.
Sit here.
Oh, well, thank you.
I'm gonna put a dog door.
Oh, wow, it's a little house for the dogs. That's cool. That looks really neat.
What do you think?
We love it.
It looks so good.
Does it look like your house?
It looks like a dream house.
Yeah.
That's now, I guess, ours?
Yeah.
This is great.
Ah, the backsplash.
Oh my gosh. It just looks amazing. Everything looks like it was
meant
custom
to-
done. It was meant to be that way.
Oh,
Wow.
awesome. Ooh. Mirrored closet door.
Yes, those are great. Wow.
Wow. Wow. Oh my gosh.
Wow. I love the glass. It's so cool.
Oh
Oh my gosh.